Hi guys, welcome to Browns. My name is Nick. Today we're looking at the 2019 Dodge Durango GT Plus with the blacktop edition. With the blacktop package, you get the black bezel around the headlights, the 20-inch black wheels, black covers on the side mirrors, the black roof rails, and black badging. Getting the black trim along the back taillight. With the GT Plus package, you're also going to get the mesh front grille with the intake in the front as well. This car also comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plug your phone into the USB in the front, which ultimately gives you Google Maps, Waze, has your Apple Music. The Uconnect system also comes equipped with a Wi-Fi hotspot, Sirius XM Travel Link, which ultimately gives you fuel pricing, movie listings, sports and entertainment, and the weather. And also you can fold the headrest as well. It also has rear parking sensors with rear brake assist. If you guys have any further questions regarding the 2019 Durango, come down and see me, Nick. We're also running a special promotion for Dodge Power Dollars, which is on all the Dodge lineup. Thank you.